Find the area of the trapezoid. In order to find the area of the trapezoid, I can apply this formula, 1/2 multiplied with the height, and then multiply with the sum of base 1 with base 2. The height is going to be perpendicular to both bases. But notice that here, I don't know what the height is. However, if I emphasize this part in green, I see that I have a right triangle. And on top of that, this is going to be a 45, 45, 90. So let me go ahead and draw this on the side. And here I have a 45, 45, 90. And I know that this side has to be 45 since this is perpendicular. That forces the right side to be 90 degrees. And when you sum the interior angles of a triangle, they should add up to 180, meaning that this part is forced to be 45. Now here, whenever you have a 45, 45, 90, the legs have to be the same. And then the hypotenuse is the value of the leg multiplied with the square root of 2. And notice that for my example, I have 8 root 2. So my hypotenuse is across the 90 degree angle. So I can immediately see that my A value, or the value of the leg, is going to be 8. Meaning that this part, my height, is 8. On top of that, if I drop this straight line or this perpendicular line, I can see that this side in red is 8 meters. Now this part on the right, this part on the left, they're also going to be 8 just by the 45, 45, 90 triangles that I can apply. So I have 8, 8. So the total length of base 2 is going to be 8 times 3, which is 24. Now applying the substitutions, I'm going to get the area is equal to 1/2 times the height. Recall that the height is going to be 8. And then base 1, I can grab base 1, set it equal to 8. And then base 2 is going to be the sum of these three parts, which is 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 3. That's going to be 24. And now I can calculate the area. 1/2 multiplied with 8, that's going to give me a total of 4. And then 8 plus 24 is going to give me a total of 32. And when I multiply 4 times 32, I'm going to get a total of 128. So the area of this trapezoid is going to be 128 meters.